start off with shredded coconut. Just toast it over the oven, over the stove top, just for a few minutes until it's kind of dried out. It gives a nice crunchy texture when you bite into this chocolate slice with having some toasted, just mildly toasted coconut, and it smells amazing. The coconut just smells amazing once it's toasted, and once it's toasted, take off the heat, add some cocoa butter. So what I use is organic or raw cocoa butter. So that's the best part of the coconut. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. So just adding an additional fat, and 1 tablespoon of C8 or brain octane, but in this case I'm just using another brand of pure C8 for some extra ketone boost. So with that, just let it really low heat. You're not frying anything. So you're supposed to do this over a double boiler, but I find that you don't need to. Just stir it up. Then we have 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So this is raw, unprocessed, so very minimal processed cocoa powder. Just mix it in, and then a little bit of ground vanilla powder. So don't use liquid, use dried powder, ground powder, amazing flavor, and a dash of salt, just to enhance that chocolate flavor. Then I use swerve, 2 tablespoons of swerve, which adds the sweet taste. It's basically erythritol with some inulin, so it doesn't spike your blood sugar. And I'm gonna add also around about a tablespoon or half a tablespoon of maca powder. Is awesome. It's an adaptogen. It helps make you strong and help you recover. So excellent adaptogen. Mix it all up, make sure it's all smooth and the texture is right, and take it off the heat while mixing it. So this is a good way to temper chocolate. So I'm simulating the fact tempering by just turn off the stove and let it gradually cool as I stir rapidly and mix everything together. And once that's about pretty much well mixed together, what I'm going to do is add very soon 2 tablespoons of cashew butter. So just 100% cashew, ground up, nothing added. So once it's all smooth, this is where I add in the butter, 2 tablespoons, add it in. The heat, there's still residual heat in the chocolate, and that will just dissolve nicely. Just let it mix up. It mixes it in quite well and makes it kind of like taste a little bit like milk chocolate. The cashew is just amazing flavor. Love cashews. Just make cashew and chocolate goes really well. So now here goes with the whisk again, mix it all up, and this is just about ready, because at this point this is where you probably want to start adding whatever you want, right? So I've got some macadamias. I have some I've got the toasted coconut, grounded coconut. So, and what I do is also mix it all up, and also I add some goji, dried goji berries, Himalayan goji berries, and it gives it a nice texture on top. So when it's all mixed up, so you have to just mix it thoroughly. Yeah, it's important that mix it thoroughly. The chocolate will set quite well. So I pour into a kind of a ceramic container, which it's nice, and it doesn't stick once it freezes over. It's perfect. And put it all in, scrape it all out from the pan, and just put it all in the pan, and I put the goji berries on top. I also find it awesome to add in some cocoa nibs. Yeah, so half of it just for changing texture. The other half I've got some cocoa nibs, nice and crunchy, heaps of selenium, good amount of fiber, delicious. And just finishing touch, some additional shredded coconut, and just put that on top. It looks awesome, looks delicious, and that's about it. So that's what it is, my delicious, wholesome coconut chocolate slice with goji berries and macadamia.